What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, party people? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. Thank you guys so much for clicking the button to watch your girl today. Y'all, we have our Allure Beauty Box. Now, I've been excited about this box since some of my subscribers told me some of the spoilers in this month's box. I have been patiently waiting, and voila, it's here. I'm very excited, y'all. So if you guys want to see what's in December's Allure Beauty Box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your Allure, boo. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys with me today. It's Friday. It's the weekend, baby. Guys, this weekend, me and my cousins, or my first cousins, are going to the city of New Orleans and party it up dressed as reindeers. Every single year we do this. One year we wore Mrs. Claus, then we wore Santa's little elves, and we're snowmen last year. And y'all, it's so much fun. I'm looking so forward to that on Saturday. So yeah, be looking for some lives from me because y'all, I'm probably gonna be a little tipsy. Y'all already know. Today, nonetheless, we have Allure Beauty Box, and we're not going to be long today. I'm going to do the specs, and we're going to unbox it, and y'all know the rest, so y'all ready to get it on and popping? Let's get on into these specs. So for you guys that do not know, Allure is a $15 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 to 7 sample to deluxe size products, and they will occasionally throw in some full size products, and it's supposed to have a minimum value of $50 to $90, guys. So yeah, I'm excited about this month and I'm ready to get it open. So let's just get it open. Yes. The box comes like this. I love the new design of the box. It's just a little lift top like that. And y'all know every month Allure comes with this little pamphlet or brochure here that tells us all of our products we received. Y'all know I'm gonna put the price of the full size product at the bottom. We'll do a grand total towards the end. And yeah, boo, look, let's just go. Let's just get it started. I'm excited. First up out of the box, I am seeing this Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys, here. Now, I have used some stuff from First Aid Beauty before, and I actually contrary to me not liking skincare, I actually like getting face moisturizers, and this is a pretty decent size. I think this must be the deluxe size. You get 1.7 fluid ounces of product in this bottle, and it has a little pump here, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm gonna add this to my skincare routine once I'm done with my moisturizer that I'm currently using. So let's see what it says about this product in our booklet. So I'm seeing in the booklet here, guys, they actually gave you a choice of two. You could have either gotten the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer or the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. So either one of those. And this right here is $24 for, I think this might be is this the full size? I don't think so. I don't know. Y'all let me know if this is the full size of this. I don't know though. On the back here it says apply as needed to the face throughout the day. That's it. So it's dermatologist tested, it's fragrance free. And yeah, guys, so yeah, it's safe for sensitive skin. So we're excited to get this product. This is a good one. Okay. Up next, guys, we have from Christopher Robin, this scrub. What is this? A cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt. Oh, it's like a shampoo. It's a hair thing. So this is what the little jar looks like here, guys. And you get 1.35 fluid ounces of product in here. It does not have a little safety seal. Oh, it smells like, I'm getting like Vicks Vapor Rubbish type of smell. It's not a bad scent though, but I'm not gonna put my hands in this because I'm probably gonna give this away. But let's see what this is, guys. So again, it was one of the two. So you can either get the product that I have or this dry shampoo that I received before, I think. This would be the texturizing hairspray. So you can get this at Sephora, and this is a glittery sticky paste that looks like it's made with crusted opals. Oh my God, the full size price is $53, and it says, yes, $53 for shampoo, but it's no normal shampoo. It uses salt crystals and a conditioning paste that rids the scalp of dead skin and product buildup. So your hair is fuller, more vibrant, and more excellent. Wow. So this one you only get, like I said, what did I tell you guys? 1.35 fluid ounces in this container here. And the full size is 246 milliliters. This is only 40 milliliters. So full size would be 246, retailing for $53 for the full size. Wow. Okay. And it sounds interesting, like an interesting product. So I may give this to somebody I work with. Yeah. Up next, we have, y'all, from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, this clear brow gel. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like. And I am so super duper duper excited to receive this product, guys. I really am. And this is what the outside packaging looks like, guys. I'm definitely going to open this because I do need a brow gel. It doesn't smell like anything really, but this is how the wand looks, like that. Let's put a little, let me put a little bit on one brow and see if it's, okay, so initially it does feel a little wet going on, but I hope it will dry down because y'all know I don't like the wet look on my brows. I'm excited for this. I have not tried their brow gel yet, so, okay. And let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and it retails for $22, guys. And again, I don't think that this is the full size. So yeah, this must be like a deluxe sample size, I think. It doesn't have sizes on here, so I'm gonna say that this is a deluxe size, I guess. If you know, let me know in the comments. Y'all know I don't mind y'all doing that. I do like that they gave you a clear gel because, you know, it's universal. More people can use a clear brow gel, so I do like that. All right, guys, up next. Now, girl, I'm excited for this one. We have their liquid lipstick in the shade Bohemia. This is what the packaging looks like, very similar to our clear brow gel. And this is what the shade looks like here. And let's take it out of this box and see. Ooh, okay, this is the color, guys, right here. And y'all know I gotta swatch it. Y'all know I have to. Doesn't smell like anything, and this is what the little applicator looks like. It's flat. I do like these types of applicators because it holds a lot of product. So, ooh, this is a beautiful color. Ooh, can y'all see that? That is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. So I think we're gonna take this lip off and put this on. What y'all think? That's beautiful. Yeah, let's take this off. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just took off the other lipstick that I had on. I didn't line my lips or anything, and I just put this one on, and I must say I am really, really, really liking it. This is definitely my type of color. It's nice and deep. It's not too dark, but it's perfect where I can wear it in winter, summer, spring. I love that. It does not feel that sticky. It's a little sticky, but the more it dries down, the more comfortable it becomes. I like that my lips don't look super shiny. I like this color. So this is, oh yeah, I like this. So let's see what this retails for, guys. I'm reading on here that you can either get Bohemia or the shade Trust Issues. And I have Bohemian. I'm sorry, I was saying Bohemia. It's Bohemian. And this, guys, retails for $20, and this is the full size. Okay, guys, and last up in our box, we have this that's in this little styrofoam stuff, and it is a palette. Ooh. And this is from Anastasia again. This is the Moon Child Glow Kit, and I'm gonna say that this is a highlighter kit, guys. Look at that. Look at that packaging. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. And let's open her up. Ooh, okay, there is no mirror. They did come with this little plastic. And this is the palette here. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, for a chocolate woman like myself, this palette will not work too much for me as a highlighter. The shades look a little ashy, except for maybe this one and this green one, but I don't know for like a chocolate woman if this would be very universal as far as highlighting. However, I can use this on my inner corners of my eyes and make it, you know, pop in that inner corner. So we definitely could use it for that. Highlighting, I'm not too sure about, but I am very excited that we received this palette, guys. Oh my goodness. This Allure box is really good this month. I'm really, really, really feeling it. So it did come with this little card here inside of the box, and on the back here it says, what's a good daytime look to get with this palette? They want you to use the pink shade. It just goes through like what's for dramatic, what shade to use, like for different situations. And y'all, this palette retails for $40. $40. Oops, I just knocked the thing out. Y'all, $40. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or put it in a giveaway for one of my lucky bomb-ass subscribers, but y'all will know soon. You know, when we reach that 2,000 mark, y'all will know if this is in the giveaway or not, you know. So go on and tell your friends and your family to subscribe to your girl. We almost there, y'all. We almost at that 2K. So that was my final product in our box for this month. We're going to do a very quick recap, final thoughts, rate the box, and we're going to be done. So we received from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, this highlighting palette here, this liquid lipstick in the shade Bohemian, and this clear brow gel here. This right here sold it for me, along with our First Aid Beauty moisturizer, and this from Christopher Robin, this hair shampoo, conditioner, salt thing. Cool. So 5 products for this month. Final thoughts on this month's box is, I'm gonna say Allure was basically a winner chicken dinner for me. I absolutely loved this month's box. Now, even though I told you guys this may not be chocolate girl friendly as far as highlighter, and some of these shades may work. I think that purple shade may work, but y'all know purple is my favorite color, but I don't know about on my face. But as far as my inner corners, I do like to highlight them with different colors, different odd colors. So this would be perfect for that. This right here and these two, I love the box for this month. I really, really, really do. The only thing I will say is I wish that the glow kit was available in different shades so that it could be, you know, more universal, but Allure doesn't do a beauty quiz, so they probably wouldn't know what shade to send me anyway. But I'm telling you guys, I'm so excited to receive this. I don't care if I can or cannot use it. I can make it work, or one of my bomb-ass subscribers could. So, I mean, for this month, for me, I am very pleased with Allure. Y'all know Allure has been hit or miss for me, and this month, and I even think last month, I'll link that video down below if you guys want to check it out, was a winner for me. So, I am pleased this month. So guys, if I had to rate Allure on a scale of 1, this box is garbage. Throw it to the damn wolves! To 5 being, this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying? Boo, we're going to give Allure for this month a solid 4 to 4.5. Yeah, boo. I think it's a good box. Like I said, the only thing I wish was that this palette here was more universal. But, I mean, if my chocolate sisters wanted to make it work, we could hit it with the inner corner highlight, or just try it out and see. Because I think some of these shades might actually wash some of my pale sisters out as well. So just try it out and see, play with it and see if you guys could come up with some good looks. I forgot to do my shout outs to my 5 first commenters of my last video. And just to let you guys know, some of my videos are recorded in groups, like I do a few videos a day. So sometimes I won't be able to shout you out, but I will type it down at the bottom of the screen in the beginning of the video so that you guys can see that I am still shouting you out. You know, it's hard for me. I won't be able to see who's the 5 commenters if I'm recording, you know, videos in advance. So sometimes I won't be able to, you know, by mouth shout you out, but I still will shout you out in the bottom, in the little, in the beginning of my video. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Shit. I want to give a shout out to Ms. Desiree Spires, Miss Karen Red, Patricia Smiley, Christina Riaz, and Kai Justine. I hope I said all of you ladies' names correctly. Thank you so much, guys, for being my first 5 commenters. And thank everybody that's been commenting and liking and disliking my videos. Y'all know I love interacting with you guys. If you have not done so already, make sure you are subscribed to your girl. We're going to be doing a big 2K giveaway as soon as I hit 2,000. I'm very excited because we're getting close, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, guys. What else? Follow me on Instagram. I'm most active there. And yeah, guys, that's all that I have for today. I'm very pleased with my Allure Beauty Box. Make sure you let me know in the comments down below what you got in your Allure Beauty Box. If you felt it this month, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, let me know your thoughts. Y'all know all thoughts are welcome on my channel because I love to discuss and talk with you guys in the comments. So whether you agree or disagree, we're going to talk about it, boo. Y'all know how I do. Hey. Y'all need a drink break? And a dance break? Ooh, a drink break? Okay. Anyway, guys, that is all that I have for you guys for this lovely Friday. I hope you all have a spectacular weekend. And I will see you all in the comments, boo, and on Monday. All right, y'all. So until next time, in next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Peace.